show you how to create a thumbnail in your mobile phone. So today I'm going to be using the app called Canva. So let's get started. Here I've opened my Canva app. After you log in, you will see this page, and when you scroll to the side, you can see the option called YouTube thumbnail. So just click on that, and then you'll see this page. So if you want, you can choose a template. Okay, so this is how it will appear after you do all those things. And here also you can see some templates, very nice templates. You can use that if you want, but today I'm not gonna be doing so. So you can turn on guides or grid view and all of those if you want, and you can also rename your project or thumbnail so that you can identify it. Okay, so when you click this plus button over here, you'll see all the options. They have templates. You can upload photos from your gallery. You can upload photos from this Canva gallery. You can upload elements, text, stickers, audio, videos, upload background, folders, and many more. So I'm just gonna choose my background. I'm just gonna make it a plain color, I guess. Okay, I really like this color. You can replace it or add effects and all of that, but today I'm not gonna do so. Then I'm going to add a text. There are font combinations that you can use, so I guess I'm gonna use that one today. Maybe this one. Okay, now you can double tap it to change. Just tap once to change the text in this. So I'm just gonna write hi. Okay, so that's that. Then you can change the font in here. See, it's now Serena. I don't know if that's how you pronounce it, but that's that. Then now I'm gonna add elements to it. There are lots of very cute and fun elements. There are also frames. So maybe that, and you can use what you want and just click the download option. And yeah, that's how you do it. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please hit the like button and the subscribe button so that you get notified every time I post a new video. Bye.